When you evaluate an exponential expression, you can simplify the expression before substituting values for the variables, and that can save you some work. Problem 3, evaluating an exponential expression. What is the value of 3s cubed t to the negative second power for s equals 2 and t equals negative 3? So method 1, simplify first. We'll use these properties of exponents. We'll move the t to the negative 2 power across the fraction bar so it becomes the denominator raised to the positive 2 power, and then we substitute in our values. 2 for s, negative 3 for t, and evaluate. This becomes 24 over 9, which we could write as a mixed number, 2 2/3. Now in method 2, we would substitute first, substituting 2 for s, 3 for t, and finding 3 times 2 cubed over negative 3 squared, and we could still evaluate. We'd still find 24/9, which can be rewritten as 2 2/3, so both ways work. It's just method 1 is probably considered simplest and leads to easier arithmetic. Your turn. Part A. What is the value of the expression n to the negative 4th power w to the 0 power for n equals negative 2 and w equals 5? Part B. What about the expression n to the negative 1st power over w squared for n equals negative 2 and w equals 5? Part C. The expression n to the 0 power over w to the 6th power for n equals negative 2 and w equals 5. D. The expression 1 over n times w to the negative 1st power for n equals negative 2 and w equals 5. And finally, part E, a reasoning item. Is it easier to evaluate n to the 0, w to the 0, for n equals 2 and w equals 3 by simplifying first or by substituting first? Explain.